Cleaning your makeup brush is important, and so is cleaning your jewelry. If you want your jewelry to sparkle, you have to clean it. You can't clean it every day, and you can buy everyday jewelry cleaner, which I have a jewelry cleaner in solution, which I use with a toothbrush, which I'll show you. You can use a polishing cloth, which is great for metals and great for like diamonds and metals, and you'll actually see that it comes out dark, like it's actually really cleaning. So if you have jewelry that you wear all the time, use these polishing cloths, okay? And they really do work. But if you really want to clean your diamonds, and you should do this periodically, this could be maybe a month or so, take it to a professional jeweler that you trust and have them steam clean your jewelry. If you're about to get married or go to a great party, or it's your 50th birthday and you want your jewelry to shine, take it to a professional. Otherwise, I'm a professional. So this is a semi-professional jewelry cleaning machine. It's a steamer, that's all they do. Sun protection, lotion, life, dirt, it all gets stuck in your jewelry. And I'm just a clean freak, and I like everything to be in its best possible form. So this is a little tray, it's like a jewelry tray so you don't lose everything. Now I'm turning it on, okay? You need this pressure knob on. And you never open it when it's hot. It's literally a pressure cooker, that's why it's gonna create a steam. So, it's red. When it's green, we're going to clean jewelry. In the meantime, this is how I clean my ring. I travel with jewelry cleaner. No, it seems crazy. I'll take my ring off. You take your piece of jewelry, sit it in your jewelry cleaner. A real ring oxidized. It was a diamond ring and it ended up coming out black. So a very soft toothbrush, and then in a circular motion, clean your jewelry. Do not leave your drain open. Have a place to drain it. While you're doing it, you know, you can just do everything on you. You know, just clean the toothbrush. Use your polishing cloth. That's what really polishes the metal. That's great for watches, wedding bands. It really works. That's why this is all like this. Because stuff really gets old, especially if you haven't worn it in a while. Just keeps everything shiny. So let's do before. Okay? These are the best little ring size right there. These little, they look like tube macaroni. Because if your fingers swell and contract, this is the only one that really works where it's comfortable on your finger. Make sure your drain is sealed shut. You can even put something over it to make sure. But you have this basket to protect you, okay? But I do it over the sink. Use our handy dandy tongs, okay? This is like the professionals do it, okay? There's a little lever on the back. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Watch out, I don't want to burn anybody.
I mean, that is crystal clear.
It's shiny, right? It's crystal clear. You need to clean your jewelry. Don't do this too much. This is not something to be obsessed with. This is something to do every couple of months, just if you have something that you're about to do, or you want your ring to look good. We turn this off. Now you gotta slowly let the steam out. Can't like take the whole thing out. What do we think?